At a time when COVID cases are rapidly spreading in China and some other parts of the world, India is not leaving any stone unturned to prevent the virus from spreading further. In the wake of spurring cases, Air India Express issued guidelines for maintaining COVID-appropriate behavior by passengers flying from the United Arab Emirates to India that were released on Tuesday. The guideline indicates that all tourists should preferably be fully inoculated in accordance with their country's primary immunization schedule that has been approved against COVID-19. The wearing of masks and physical distance are two additional safety measures to adopt when traveling. All guests should preferably be fully vaccinated as per the approved primary schedule of vaccination against COVID-19 in their country. All guests should preferably use masks and follow physical distancing on flights, travel, and at all points of the entry. The official Twitter handle of Air India Express tweeted, "Children below 12 years of age were exempted from post-arrival random testing under the guideline. If a child is found to have COVID-19 symptom upon arrival or while engaging in self-monitoring, they are merely required to submit to testing and get treatment in accordance with the protocol." The Union Ministry of Civil Aviation on Thursday declared to conduct at least 2% of random sampling tests on passengers arriving on overseas aircraft into the country as part of its COVID-19 preventive step. The travelers will be identified by the airline and will be permitted to leave the airport after sample collection according to a MOCA official statement. Those who test positive for the virus are quarantined and samples from them are sent for genome sequencing. The government had previously mandated COVID testing for passengers flying into the country from China, Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, or Thailand. The Union Ministry of Civil Aviation on Thursday said at least 2% of the arriving passengers on international flights to the country will have to undergo random sampling as part of precautionary measure for COVID-19. This arrangement should come into practice with effect from 10 a.m. on December the 24th as per the statement from MOCA. Last week, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia in Lok Sabha said that the government has started random RT-PCR sampling among the passengers arriving at the international airport in the country amid the recent surge of coronavirus infection in various countries including China, Japan, South Korea, France, and the United States. Meanwhile, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare also issued guidelines for international arrivals in the view of COVID-19 pandemic and said that the guidelines will be reviewed and revised from time to time.
Hi, you have been watching our videos on HW News English. But why be content with content in just one language when you can choose from both? Yes, from 1st of January, we are bringing together the repository of our ground reports, interviews and analysis under the umbrella of HW News Network. So, while HW News English will stay as it is, you will now be able to watch our Hindi and English reportage together. So don't forget to watch HW News Network from 1st of January.